Hi guys, this is Pawan Bisamala and welcome back to PB Talks. In this video, we're going to talk about something really interesting. And if you're a newcomer, please do subscribe to my channel and I'll be creating content related to marketing, motivation, MBA coming soon, and also a few podcasts also coming soon. So please do subscribe to my channel PB Talks. And without wasting any time, let's get started. And today's topic is it's about three main skills to change your life completely. Doesn't matter if you're a college student, doesn't matter if you're doing a job, doesn't matter if you're in school also. These three skills will change your life completely. The last one is my favorite one and it is the most important one. So please do watch this video right till the end and note down on a sheet of paper or on a book if you have one, right? And please do watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start this video and let's dive into this particular video. Okay? So coming on to the first important skill to change your life completely, it is communication. If you have communication skills, you can achieve anything in your life. You can talk to anybody with confidence. You can talk to CEOs of companies, your boss properly, communicate with them properly. See, communication is only when the other person understands you completely of what you're talking about. Suppose, see, I'm Pawan. I'm talking about three main skills to change your life completely, right? Irrespective of your age group. Okay. So, whatever I am communicating, if you get each and every point with utmost clarity, utmost understanding, then that is called proper communication. So, if you learn communication properly, it will be useful at any point in your life. It doesn't matter if you are at a school, it doesn't matter if you're studying, it doesn't matter if you're doing a job, it doesn't matter if you own a business. Each and every aspect of life, communication will help you, right? Directly or indirectly, it will help you for sure, right? So, moving on to the second skill, it is having a winning mindset. This is also one of the most crucial skills because it doesn't matter in whatever age you are. As I said, this video will be applicable for you, right? So doesn't matter, if you have a winning mindset, you're gonna win in life, right? If not now, then later on in life, maybe 1 year later, 2 years later, 3 years later, 4 years later, whenever it is. If you have this particular skill, you are going to win in life and you are going to be successful for sure. So this particular skill, which is winning mindset, having a winning mindset is really important for every one of you out there, right? As I said, irrespective of an age group. Suppose if a person doesn't have this particular skill and he is facing challenges in his business or facing challenges in his job, at school, at college, if he is facing all these challenges, he won't be able to get through and get success because of his mindset. Because mindset plays a very crucial role in a person's success, right? So having a winning mindset is absolutely important and it is one of the crucial factors of anybody's success. So please do get on a winning mindset, a growth mindset in particular, and a winning mindset as well, right? So if you guys have these, then you're going to get successful for sure. Now coming on to third and the most important skill of everybody's life, which will change your life completely, is networking. It might seem an easy thing, an easy word for many people out there, but it's not. It is really important at whatever stage you are in life. I said this in multiple videos, not only me, many people who are successful content creators, many people who are motivational speakers, many people who are successful in their life as well have said this word: networking. This particular thing, this particular word is really important for every one of you out there, right? Irrespective of the age, irrespective of whatever situation you are in, try talking to more people, try networking with as many people as possible. Because suppose, let's take an example, let's take this example, real life example. Suppose you have a business, okay? Suppose that's not running really well. Suppose you're failing, suppose you're at losses, suppose you don't have money and you have to pay your debt, right? What will help you? Your network, that will only help you, nothing else will help you, right? Only that has the particular capability to get you out of a tough situation and make you stand successfully at the end of whatever that crucial situation is, the challenge is about, right? So this is really important. Networking is really important. It doesn't matter with whom are you talking, but the people you're talking, the people you're communicating with have to have a winning mindset. So all of these three are interrelated and interconnected as well, right? So every point I'm covering in this video will be helpful for you for sure, because each point is covered. Let me tell you how. If you have to network, you have to communicate well, right? You have to talk with the people who have the growth mindset and the winning mindset. Doesn't matter what they're doing, right? Doesn't matter what domain they are in. Doesn't matter how much money they make, right? Doesn't matter how successful they are. They should have these three. If they have these three, they are going to be successful for sure. And obviously they are successful. And with them, if you talk with them, if you roam with them, if you sit with them, you're going to be successful as well. So these three aspects are really, really important. These three skills are really, really important for you, right? As I said, irrespective of the age, these three are going to take you forward and give you success for sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, learned something very, very interesting from this video, right? I know this video is 7 minutes long, but I know it's a short video as well, but these 3 points will make you successful at any given point in your life. If not now, as I said, later, 1 year later, 2 years later, 3 years later, 4 years later, doesn't matter, but this is going to make you successful for sure. So remember these 3 key points. So thank you so much for watching. This is Pawan Bisamala signing off. And if you're new to this channel, as I said, and watched this video right till the end, please do subscribe to my channel and do hit the like button. This will help the algorithm push the video to more number of people, right? So thank you so much for watching. This is PB Talks, Pawan Bisamala signing off.